Ever heard of Marques Brownlee? His tech channel has exploded, reaching a whopping 18 million subscribers. But that's just the beginning. Stay tuned to uncover the secret behind his millions of followers and immense popularity. Check out this staggering 11.2 million subscriber count and the millions of views his videos attract. Most of his content hits between 5 to 11 million views, showcasing the massive audience he commands. The next channel boasts 8.49 million subscribers with only 306 YouTube shorts. Sounds modest, right? But hold on, the earnings from Google AdSense alone for this channel are massive, not to mention the uncountable affiliate earnings. Stay tuned, we'll uncover the astounding financial success behind these numbers. Compared to other gadget channels with 2.26 million subscribers, this particular channel stands out. Their top video has reached a staggering 77 million views, while all other videos boast considerable viewership, consistently surpassing the 1 million mark. It's like every video is a breath of fresh air, drawing in an enormous audience. These channels have mastered the art of not just accumulating millions of subscribers, but also captivating them with content that consistently garners millions of views. This incredible viewership translates into staggering earnings, reaching the multi-million-dollar mark. Their ability to resonate with such a vast audience is a testament to their impact and influence in the tech and gadget niche. Marques Brownlee's earnings are nothing short of astonishing. According to Social Blade, he's raking in an impressive $15,000 every single day. When you tally that up monthly, it amounts to a staggering $242,000. This reveals not just his popularity, but also the immense financial success he's achieved through his channel. Track and Tech is no slouch either when it comes to earnings. Their daily income stands at $6,000, making for a solid monthly revenue of $95,000. This showcases their substantial YouTube success in the tech space, demonstrating a consistent income stream from their channel. The Tool Items channel earns around $80,000 every day and nearly $1.3 million each month. These channels are making a passive income from monetization. Remember, their earnings from affiliate links and promotions are harder to calculate, but add to their overall revenue and YouTube money. In this niche, there are even more popular channels. The enthusiasm for this category among people is remarkable, and these numbers and gadgets prove just how justified that craze is. If you're passionate about tech, why not kick off the new year of 2024 by starting your very own gadget product review channel? Absolutely! You can create a gadget review channel without hefty expenses or company collaborations. All you need is your phone or laptop, right from the comfort of your home. Beyond YouTube ad revenue, there are numerous avenues to earn in this category, such as Amazon affiliate marketing, sponsorships, brand collaborations, promotions, and events. Starting an AI Faceless Gadgets review channel using Amazon and ChatGPT is the beginning, and start your online business with AI. To qualify for channel monetization, reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time isn't easy, but I've designed a strategy to expedite your success. I strongly recommend following each step in this YouTube automation video diligently. By the end, you'll grasp how to effectively monetize your Faceless Gadgets review channel using Amazon. Skipping any part might hinder your understanding of the process. How to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. Let's explore how to turn these dreams into reality. To find the latest and trending gadgets on Amazon, simply search for all new gadgets and apply the newest arrivals filter in the filter section. You'll uncover a multitude of hot and trending options right there. Sure, you can easily find the latest gadgets on Amazon by searching for latest gadget on Amazon on YouTube and filtering the results by this week. In the video descriptions, you might often find Amazon links to the showcased products. You can broaden your search by going to Google and typing hot and trending cool gadgets. You'll find numerous lists and articles showcasing these items, some of which can be found on Amazon as well. This approach provides a wider range of options to explore the latest and coolest gadgets. Absolutely, noting down these products and creating videos about them is a great start. To gather more information about a product's availability and its current market status, checking its ratings and reviews can be incredibly helpful. These insights can provide an understanding of the product's sales and popularity, aiding in your content creation decisions. Indeed, a higher number of reviews and ratings often correlates with increased audience interest and excitement for a product. Leveraging this information can guide you in creating an AI-generated content that resonates with the audience's preferences, potentially leading to the success of your own product. Understanding what draws people in can be a key factor in product creation and video marketing strategies. Choose 3-4 products for your first video. Next, let's focus on discussing these products in detail. You'll find the specific product details in the videos provided. You can locate review videos for the product you're interested in on Amazon's product page. Another option is to copy the product company's name from here and then search for it on Google. You'll likely find the official website of the company, where you can access related videos about the product. These videos can be downloaded or screen recorded for your reference. Usually, these videos are available on the official YouTube channel of the company. You can easily download them from there, allowing you to access videos using all 3 methods. I understand copyright concerns. However, the videos we're using are sourced from the company's official website or its YouTube channel, which typically allows for their use within fair use and copyright guidelines. That's a valid point. When we're reviewing products from the same company's videos, it's essentially free marketing for them. Often companies are open to such reviews as they promote their products. It's essential to approach these videos thoughtfully and avoid concerns about copyright infringement. Absolutely, downloading videos solely from the official website, official YouTube channel, or official Instagram page ensures safety and compliance. Stick to these sources to avoid any copyright issues. Sure, if you don't have the script, creating one can be a challenge, but there's a solution. You can start by going to Amazon to gather information and create the script for your video review. Once you've selected the product, copy its title and paste it into your document. Then, revisit the Amazon product reviews page, copy the About This item details, and paste them into the document as well. Proceed to the customer reviews section and read through a few buyer reviews. Copy a detailed review from the top reviews and paste it into your Word document for your review. I can't directly copy and paste from your Word document, but I can help guide you through the process. Look for the most detailed reviews that cover all the product features thoroughly. Copy those reviews and save them along with the product details you've already collected in your Word document. How to write a review script with the help of AI. Join ChatGPT and experience it firsthand. To rewrite this entire script and make it into a proper YouTube video script, I will give you this exact prompt in the description below and copy it from there. I would like to make YouTube short video on a review of a product. Paste here the product name. Vecchia Rechargeable LED Neck Reading Light. Book lights for reading in bed. Following are the details about this product. Copy the script from the doc and paste it below, but don't press enter. Here below, write more something. I want to rewrite this script for a YouTube short and make the script engaging, explaining each feature about the product. I can take all these details and simplify them for you. Let's get started with the magic. I'll ensure this script is transformed into a proper video script. If any adjustments are needed, I can take care of them or regenerate them from ChatGPT. You've got it. If you would like the video in English, you can simply translate this entire script into French or another language using Google Translate. Sure, copy this script and paste it into Google Translator to convert it into the language of your choice. Absolutely, a voiceover can add a lot to a video. If you prefer not to show your face or record your voice, using Voiceover Generator or an AI voice like 11 Labs can be a great solution. They offer realistic and professional-sounding voices that could work well for your video. Once you've signed up, head to the Voice Library section and select your preferred AI spokesperson. Apply filters for advertisements and choose the male gender with the desired age range. Once you've found the right voiceover artist, click on Voiceover Options by their profile. And then select Use to proceed with their voice for your project. Certainly, after copying the complete script from the document, paste it into the designated voiceover box. I'll read it aloud, and if any adjustments are necessary, I'll click on the Generate button. Once the script is generated, I'll download it using the provided download button. To assemble everything, let's start by using CapCut Video Creation Tutorial, my favorite user-friendly PC video editing software. Begin by importing the audio. Next, click on Import again to bring in your videos and images. Drag the audio and video files onto the timeline, placing them together. First, drag the audio file into the timeline. Then, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a better fit. Let's continue by dragging our initial video onto the timeline. Expand the timelines for better visibility. The first step is to mute the original video's audio. Click on the video, choose Extract Audio on the right, and then delete this audio. We want to replace it with our own voiceover and background music. Now, let's segment the video part by part according to the voiceover. To save time, I'll fast forward through this process. Next, I'll drag in an image, extend it slightly, and add in and out animation effects. Then I'll bring in the next video, extract its audio, and remove it. We'll break this video into several parts for each sequence. Let's assemble these sections together and align them with the audio. Using the speed adjustment button, I'll synchronize each video sequence with the audio. I'll fast forward this part for time efficiency. Moving on, I'll access the transition section by clicking on the Transition tab. I'll apply transitions one by one to each video, fast forwarding through this step for time efficiency as well. Following that, I can include additional effects or filters if desired to enhance the video. Next, I'll select background music from the YouTube audio library and place it on the timeline. I'll set a fade-in effect and adjust the volume, usually aiming for -22 to -24 to ensure a smooth voiceover without overwhelming the audio. Afterward, I'll trim any excess at the end and add a fade-out effect. This completes the video editing process. Click on Export to generate the final video file.
Make money on YouTube using AI? There are numerous ways to earn money online, as mentioned earlier in the video. You can even incorporate affiliate links into your content for Amazon affiliate programs. You can also explore our Faceless YouTube channel's playlists. There, you'll find numerous videos that can aid in advancing your career in YouTube automation. These videos cover a wide range of topics, offering insights and strategies to help you grow and succeed in the realm of YouTube automation. Now it's time to upload your video to your YouTube channel, potentially opening up revenue opportunities. That concludes today's tutorial. To optimize your video for YouTube's algorithm, it's essential to follow specific steps. Start by ensuring the video is uploaded with settings that align with YouTube's guidelines. Focus on creating an SEO-friendly title, description, tags, and hashtags for better visibility and reach. Enjoy this relaxing lo-fi video. I hope you found it enjoyable and learned something new.
Hey there, fellow bookworms and night owls. Today we're shedding light on the Vecchia rechargeable LED neck reading light. Say goodbye to eye strain and discomfort as you dive into your favorite books, even in the darkest hours. First up, let's talk comfort. This reading light is all about you. With an ergonomic design and an adjustable neck, it's like having your own personal spotlight, minus the strain. Perfectly positioned for your reading pleasure, ensuring cozy nights without disturbing your partner's beauty sleep. But wait, there's more. This isn't your average reading light. With advanced LED technology offering soft, flicker-free light, you'll breeze through pages without a hint of eye fatigue. Plus, 3 adjustable brightness levels mean you can set the mood just right for any environment. Now let's talk convenience. It's lightweight, it's compact, and it's ready to be your reading companion wherever you go. Bedroom, living room, or your next adventure, this light is always up for the task. And the best part? No more battery buying blues. With a rechargeable battery and a Type-C cable, you'll get up to 80 hours of uninterrupted reading time. Just plug it in and you're good to go for hours on end. Comfort is key, right? Ultra soft silicone, ergonomic design. It's like a hug for your neck. Perfect for bedtime reading, late-night crafting, or even when you're out camping under the stars. But don't just take my word for it. Users love it too. One says it's their go-to for late-night writing sessions, and another raves about how it's perfect for their yarn crafts. Sure, battery life might be a slight drawback for some, but having two? Problem solved. So, there you have it. Your ticket to endless reading adventures without disturbing the peace. And hey, with a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock service, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Ready to illuminate your nights? Grab your Vecchia rechargeable LED neck reading light and dive into a world of comfort and convenience. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews.
If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments section. Your engagement means a lot. If you're interested in delving into the best AI video generator YouTube automation with AI Faceless Biography channel, ChatGPT CapCut, click on the left. For an insightful tutorial on how to create animated videos with AI text to animation free AI tools, AI video generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.